Hello everyone, welcome back to DevOps on Cloud. Guys, today you are going to see one mind-blowing script. If you are the system administrator or a DevOps engineer or just love working with Linux, this video, whatever I'm showing you that video, okay, or that script, okay, going to blow your mind. Really, really. I think you haven't seen that. Whatever you are going to see the script, maybe you can see somewhat like little bit one kind of script. So the script we are going to building in colorful. We are going to building that script complete real world project. I mean that real world task that is task is I mean that scripts having multiple tasks, but that output prints colorful terminal based Linux health monitoring tool fully automated in bash script. Okay, that's just not a another shell script. It gives us a lot of information with attractive UI mode, complete in UI. So what we can see that yes, live CPU, memory and disk uses, zombie process detection, and auto install for required tools. And plus, it gives us an awesome looks our interface. I mean that terminal with blinking colors and formatted sessions. Okay, let me show you guys. So this is my script. Already we are having script. See guys, this is the script. Okay, so in these scripts we have written number of tasks, little bit interactive. Of course, if you are new to shell script, 100% you'll be in confusion. Don't worry. Okay, so here, see guys, this is the complete shell script. Yes. Okay, here we have started. See guys. Okay, so what we are using, this is the description of the shell script. What we are doing by this shell script, yes, displays OS information, OS name, version and kernel, and shows CPU information tools. Okay, total CPU, total core CPU usage, and check installed required packages like that curl duplicated net tools and ETS tools. Okay, if we have mentioned that some more, yes, we can. Okay, and display memory uses and threshold this checks. Okay, so system summary process, uptime, zombie process, etc. Okay, and display disk uses and threshold checks. So first the top 5 processes by CPU and memory uses. Display active network interfaces IPs and check that internet connectivity. Okay, this is the okay. This is the description or these services we are going to executing by using this shell script. Okay, so first of all, let me show you how it will run that. Yes, bash one dot slash. Just I named that one dot slash. Of course, there are some other names. Okay, yes, system stash also, but here we are having some. I mean that okay. Whatever we are having, all steps. Okay, those all steps are not inside this. Okay, so I have tested with this. Okay, before this execution, so that I'm using that. Okay, now finally the final script output I kept inside this. I mean that after testing each and every one by that script, the script coding I kept inside this file, so that I'm using that bash. Yes, one dot sh. Now guys, see now script overview. This script powers provides a complete system report and health check. It performs the following tasks. See guys. Now if you are okay, just hit the enter to begin process. Again, so here this is the author information. Okay, namaskaram. Welcome to CloudGen Softex. And next date, time, author. Okay, compatible with the Linux based system, Ubuntu, CentOS, Debian, Alma Linux, Rocky Linux, OL, Oracle Enterprise Linux. Like that, we can execute this script in all these listed platforms. Okay, and note this point. This script runs with a time delay between sections. There are total 9 sections are there. I kept some small time delay to print one after one or after 5 seconds or 10 seconds, so that okay, note that don't disturb here, don't interrupt until the cursor is released. And the next, press enter to begin and wait for 5 seconds for the first block execution. Total 9 sections are there, 9 blocks are there. So each and every one it will execute. But if we want to execute first block, just hit the enter and wait for 5 seconds. Yes, I have applied that enter key. Now it's under process. Yes, see guys, OS information and wait for next 5 seconds. See guys, CPU information and CPU uses. See guys, memory, system summary, disk uses. See, disk uses and the thresholds, guys. Top 5 processors, network interfaces, and network speed. Okay, check internet connectivity. It is tested with pinging by that IP. Okay, guys. Yes, this is the one script. Okay, it's complete. It gives us information. So top 5 processors on CPU, top 5 processors on memory, and okay, disk uses and system summary. Total processing 175, Jambi process 0, system started on, and the date and uptime when it was started, and current user root, and users logged in currently 2 users. System summary. And this is the threshold about memory. So we have given 4 GB RAM and it's consumed this much, guys. See. Okay. Next, guys. Okay, installing packages. So it's going to installing the packages. It installed and it wasn't installed, guys. It's not installed. That NetTools not installed. Need to be installed. Okay. Next. So why we need to install this one? If you want to get some more network related information, okay, system network related information, yes, you have to install this one. And okay, checking required packages. This is next. CPU uses threshold. Okay, CPU uses within acceptable limits, guys. This one. Okay, next, OS information. We are using Alma Linux 9.5 version 9.5 and kernel version. So this is the script information, guys. Okay, it's complete automation script. And yes, if you want this one, yes, already I have uploaded here. This is the advanced shell script, advanced level server stats information. Yes, the same script I have uploaded here. This is the URL. You can take this URL, guys. Okay, I'll add this URL in the description. Okay, channel description. You can go through this one. Just copy this one. Yes, copy this one. Then go to your mission. Just so VIM SYS stats 1.sh. Yes. Okay. paste here and save this one, the same one. Next, it's bash system stats. Yes, apply this one. Okay, just hit the enter and once again hit the enter and wait for 5 seconds for first block's execution. Yes, I have applied that enter key and started the process. See guys. Okay, like this. It's going to executing. Everyone can understand who are working on Linux and DevOps administration and the system administrators and some other who are having that Linux knowledge and experience. Those guys can understand easily by using this shell script. Okay, guys, and don't forget about this one, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe and comment on this script. Okay, really, if it is useful, please comment and like. Okay, for more new videos on every day or every week, I'm going to uploading these kind of videos by using complete shell scripting. Okay, I will come with some more advanced shell scripts also for system administrators and network engineers and DevOps engineers or any other package management engineers also. Okay, infrastructure as a code. Okay, so I'll come with all kinds of scenarios: system administration related, user management related, and network related, and DevOps administrator related, and some other middleware application shell script. Okay, if you are going to executing, if you want to execute really by using shell script, yes, I will provide those kind of shell scripts, guys. Okay, thank you. Here, this is one part, and another part is in yesterday's class we saw that creating users and adding that user into Sudoers group. Then we try to execute the command after adding into Sudoers group. I mean that we have created one new user and we tested without Sudoers user group adding. So we unable to create executed commands because no permissions, there are no grants. So after that we have added that new user into Sudoers group. After that we try to execute the command without adding into Sudoers file. But whenever you are going to executing that command, it will ask you that user's password. But that one also it will ask you only one time. However, on execution, first execution and asking password, we saw that. And in today's session, there is one more advanced shell script. Yesterday also we saw that by using shell script, and today we are having one more shell script that is little bit advanced than yesterday's script. By this shell script, what we can do? Yes, we can execute directly. We can execute the script directly. Once you execute the script will do that. It will create the user. And we can assign the password. And once you create user, the script itself only adding that user into Sudoers group, and the script only it will do that. It will add that user into vi sudo file for executing the commands with passwordless. Okay, it's complete automated script compared to yesterday's script. Now let me show you that one also. Yes, that one also available here. Yes, guys, with the Sudoers, this is the script file. Create users with the Sudoers list. See guys, this is the script file. It will add into Sudoers file. Okay, itself it will execute that. Okay, then if you come to readme.md, what we can do this one? See guys, prompt username and password and auto detects Linux. If it is related to Ubuntu or Debian or Rocky Linux or CentOS, okay, or Alma Linux, it will detect that and add users into the correct sudo group or wheel group and configure passwordless sudo via inside this sudoers.daemon. Okay, designed for system administrators and DevOps engineers. So just take this script and execute this one. Okay, now let me take this script. Yes, so take this script, copy this one, go to your system. Yes, ll vam user create with sudoers data sh. Yes, be insert mode and paste here. Save this one. If you want to give the permissions, you can give, or else you can execute directly like this. You can apply like this, or else you can give the permission chmod plus x user creation. Okay, then so this is the script file. Then apply that sudoers. Correct. User create with the sudoers. See guys. Now, okay. So if already user existed, so what it will do, guys, it will detect that existing users also. Right now, I'm going to apply that Ravindra. See guys, it's a password. See, user Ravindra is already existed. In yesterday's script also already we saw this one. In yesterday's script also we saw this one. Okay, so note that. Okay, if already existed, we can't create. You need to choose new other one. Okay, what I'm doing that? Yes, cloud DevOps. I'm using cloud DevOps and it's a password. See guys, user cloud DevOps setup completed successfully with passwordless sudo. Passwordless sudo. Just you can log in into that user, switch that user. Yes, now ll. Okay, now mkdir yes, DevOps AWS. Okay, but don't forget about this one. So the every normal user who are having that sudo privileges, those normal users have to apply sudo. And every command execution, the first command, primary command sudo, super user do. We are getting the grants from the super user to execute this one. Okay. Yes, guys. Successfully created. It's me. See, it's not asking password. Just now we have created that user and we switched into that user. If we haven't added into sudoers file, yes, you have to apply the password on first execution. See guys. Okay. Now, if you see that vi sudo, see, sorry, the first one sudo vi sudo. See guys. See, Azure DevOps. Now we have created, no? Of course, it's didn't added, so it will add that. Okay, the file is different, guys. That file is different. Where we have added that one we have added inside this file. Okay, yes, copy this one. There is one separate file. Yes, now come here. Yes, VAM. Just apply this one. See, guys. Okay. sudo, just wait guys. Okay, Sudoers D. Okay, it's not switching into that user or that location pwd. So it's created, but it's added into this file, guys. Okay, OS name is added into this file. Let me check it. The daemon file. Okay, just wait. Guys, that's not moving into that directory. Yes, first of all, exit this one, then apply this one, cd class etc sudoers. Now it's moving that ll. Now you can see, guys. Okay, that cloud DevOps user cat cloud DevOps. See, guys. So it's added into this file. So yes, if you are in the normal user, it won't show you that because we are having that limited grants. So that it's not showing that. So what we have to do, we need to enter into the root user. We need to enter into the user. From there, we can see that. Okay. So this is the process. What is this one? This is the username and okay. Yes, all equals to all. No password to all. Whenever you are going to execute in every command, and every command, whatever you want to execute, that time it won't ask you password. Okay, that is the advantage with this script, guys. Okay, so directly it will create once you start the execution of the script. So it will ask that username. Yes, you have to enter username. If the user is already existed, whatever you have given that, yes, it will stop the process by showing that already user already existed. So now what you have to do? Once again, you need to start run that script and you need to apply new non-existing username in the system. Then it will ask a password. So it will take the confirmation from the existing users list. Then it will process that. Then it will add that user into this particular file inside that sudoers directory. Okay, guys. So with the full access, I mean that it won't ask you password. This is the process of script, guys. Okay. So in today's session, okay, these two scripts are executing, guys. Okay. Thank you, guys. Please don't forget about subscribing and commenting and liking the videos. Okay. Thank you, guys. Please subscribe, share, and like and comment, guys. Thank you, one and all.